Welcome to day 6 of 30 Days of AI Coding Challenge. Yesterday, we built a LinkedIn post generator app that takes the URL as an input and gives you the post. And but today, we will make that same look and feel of the app a little bit better by adding a status container, status UI, so that user must know that what LLM is doing and is it thinking, generating, and post generated. What's the status of their request? Let's start with the demo. So you can see this is V2, the version 2 of the LinkedIn post generator. And in this, what is the difference? So the difference is this. As and when you click on the generate post button, you will see some status will be visible to you. You want to see how it looks like? Let's see. So if we click on this generate post, you see the starting engine, they are thinking, they are generating, they are running. Okay. This is the additional thing that is added in the day 6. Okay, so you can see this is the status UI in the container. This is a container which is visible. It have shown that it started with the thinking and generated the post, right? And then finally it's completed, right? So this is the additional thing. Now you can see the post is here with us. Cool. Do you want to deep dive into the code walkthrough? Let's go. But make sure you complete all the previous day's challenge because this is really good and easy and every day to learn something new and not to learn everything at day at this particular day, right? So let's start with the code walkthrough. We are in day 6 of challenge and you can see status UI for long running tasks, right? So wherever you see the long running task is there, this status container really help you to give a good look and feel to the app. So what are additional topic or concept that you need to learn is as compared to previous day. So it's V2, rest is same. So see this, we have a status container and this is the container. So st.status. So in that container using the with clause, we are using it that if this is true, right? It has started and opened that container with the status, this status, okay? And it's started. So whatever we have written, the prompt, okay? Starting with that, we are just mentioning and showing that, hey, like a comment, right? This is what happened so far, okay? So before giving the prompt, we can say it's thinking, right? So it's thinking, okay? Thinking. And once the prompt is ready and it's showing, now it's generating, okay? And before calling, it called generating. And finally, once the prompt is ready and everything is done, it's telling it's generated because after this got executed, it will show it's generated and updating the status as complete over here, okay? And finally telling the post generated successfully. That is what you see over here, right? Post generated successfully. This is the complete status, okay? Now everything remains the same, nothing additional, just updated this caption and you're good to go, okay? So just brief, this is the status management that is being done, right? Writing the thinking, generating, and the generation at every step. These are shown to the user so that they feel something is going on. Instead, they see a blank screen or wait for the result. This really helps to make the app more interactive. So one point, so there is a status container documentation that you can refer to. I will put that this link in the description below. So you can definitely go ahead and check if you want to deep dive in more detail and understand what this container can more do and you can deep dive into this. So we learned today that how we can add a status container in the existing LinkedIn post generator app from the previous day, which make the UI looks more polished and professional. This is Sudeep Kumar. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel and do share with your friends. So before we close, make sure you try with a different URL and see the status, how it's showing to you and comment done in the comments below once you finish the day 6. Tomorrow, we will definitely explore more around it by adding more layout and the sidebar, which will really make the app even more appealing. So, till then, take care. Bye bye.